In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Trello Premium. If you've decided that Trello Premium is no longer the right fit for your team or personal project management needs, don't worry. Canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Once you're on the main Trello dashboard, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, which might display your initials or a profile picture, depending on how you've set it up. Go ahead and click on this icon. By clicking here, a drop-down menu will appear. What you'll want to do next is select Settings from this menu. This takes you to a page dedicated to your account settings, providing various options related to your Trello preferences and details. On this page, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. This panel is where you'll find all the navigational links to different settings. Now, look for the option labeled Billing in this left side panel. Clicking on Billing will direct you to the area dedicated to managing your subscription details. In this section, you'll find information about your current plan, including the cost, billing cycle, and any active subscriptions. Here's where you can make the necessary changes to cancel your Trello Premium subscription. In the subscription details, you should find the option to change your current plan. This option allows you to modify or entirely discontinue your premium service with Trello. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice to cancel, and be sure to review any final details or messages from Trello to ensure the cancellation process has been completed accurately. After taking these steps, you've successfully navigated the process to cancel Trello Premium. It's a good idea to double-check your email for any confirmation from Trello regarding your plan change. Sometimes there might be notifications or additional information sent directly to your inbox, ensuring that everything has been processed completely. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've completed your plan cancellation on Trello. Whether you're moving to a different tool, downgrading to a free account, or simply don't need the premium features anymore, this process ensures a hassle-free transition. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay productive, and I'll catch you in the next video.